Databricks costs and cloud-only constraints limiting your reach. Hadoop's limitations holding you back. But what if we had a bridge to go beyond these restrictions? Imagine harnessing the power of Kubernetes in any environment. It's time for Ilum. The power of Apache Spark, Kubernetes, and object storage in one place. The modular data lakehouse solution for a cloud-native world. Designed with the power of Kubernetes at its heart. Ilum's deploy anywhere model breaks free from constraints. Transform your machine learning models into interactive microservices. With Ilum, you gain granular control over your machine learning models. Send and receive data in real time using our robust API, ensuring each model responds precisely to dynamic inputs. Monitor logs, track anomalies, and debug seamlessly, all in one unified space. Build a real-time interaction with a Spark cluster and control a Spark session over REST API. Utilize the power of Kubernetes and migrate away from Hadoop. Control, monitor, and orchestrate several Spark clusters, all from a single unified platform. Interact in real time with remote Spark clusters directly from Apache Jupyter, bridging the gap between data science and data infrastructure. From its roots as a Spark cluster manager and monitoring tool, Ilum has transformed into a comprehensive data lakehouse platform. Get ahead of the competition with Apache Spark on Kubernetes and get it for free at ilum.cloud.